won't get in with a car. I don't have a motorcycle. So when I go over there, when I'm going in, there's going to be roadblocks and stuff set up. So I'll get in with the car tonight. But if I try to get in tomorrow, there's no getting in after 6 a.m. with a car. So that's why I'm going in tonight. I got Friday off. So it's going to be a good weekend. I'll see you when I get there. Oh, check it out. Got pulled over for loud exhaust. Oh shit.
Driver's license or insurance back up top. And then the ticket there is for no muffler. Like I said, it's $110. On the back, there's 3 options. It's exercise remote. 3 options within 15 days. Okay?
Well, what's the options?
Pay the fine, plead guilty to an explanation, or request the drop.
I can just pay it online, right?
Absolutely, all the information's on there.
Alright.
Okay?
Hey, my car sounds nice though, right?
That's loud. It's a little bad. I'm not a fan of the raspy noise. I
Yeah?
like some little floaty.
Okay.
So it's the next day. Friday 13th is over. Went down to the main strip. Everything's pretty much already gone. The concert got rained out last night. We're supposed to see some AC/DC tribute band, but that didn't happen because the water was coming up out of the lake and it was pouring rain. But I think it was a great weekend still. Huge turnout. I'd say it was like at least 80,000 plus bikes here in town. Even with their new rules that came out. No gang related vendors. No, there was like a huge section blocked off Main Street. You couldn't park your bike on like a huge section that they blocked off for all vendors to kind of set up there. But so it was a bit different this year. Like the side streets were just packed with bikes. Like both sides of Main Street, both side streets just packed, and all even coming up out of the out of Port Dover is still like packed with bikes lined up. And that Loud exhaust ticket I got, that's alright. There's no demerits on that one, so I'm good. I just pay the fine online, and that's all I gotta do. Nothing else.